Okay, so now all we have to do is take out these bolts. The one up in here broke, of course, which is fine because we're not going to be worrying about this. This is a parts motor. So now we try to take all these out. Usually I don't like using power, air assisted tools, only after they start to get loose, because you can break them easily, which isn't a big deal, but you can strip off the heads so fast, and hopefully everything will be okay here. See, still tight. Nope, won't do it. Go back to old school. Oh yeah. There she goes. So, this is the boring part. Catch you later.